Welcome to the Bajaj Allianz Life Fund performance for the month of June 2018. Correction in the mid and small cap stocks in CY18 has been sharp, with the Nifty Mid-cap 50 and Nifty Small Cap 100 indices declining 12.4% and 21% respectively. Large cap stocks have outperformed, with the Nifty index returning a positive 1.8% over the same period. The valuation premium that the small and mid-cap stocks enjoyed has come down considerably. Starting with our fund performance for the large cap category. The Equity Growth Fund 2 has given 18.41% over a 5-year period against the Nifty 50 index benchmark returns of 12.87% over the same period. Since inception, the fund has given a CAGR return of 14.89%. For Pure Stock Fund, the compounded annual growth rate on a 5-year return is at 20.84% as against 12.87% of Nifty 50 index returns. The CAGR return since inception is 16.3%. Coming to the asset allocation category, the compounded annual growth rate for Asset Allocation Fund 2 is 9.09% for a 3-year return, as against 8.44% of CRISIL Balanced Fund Aggressive Index returns. The CAGR return since inception is 12.02%. Next, in the mid-cap category, the compounded annual growth rate for Accelerator Mid-cap Fund 2 has done well. Our 5-year return is at 25.91% as against 20.69% of Nifty Mid-cap 50 index benchmark returns. The CAGR return since inception is 15.55%. Coming to the index fund category, the compounded annual growth rate for Bluechip Equity Fund on a 5-year return is at 12.28% against 12.87% of the Nifty 50 index benchmark index. The CAGR return since inception is 8.09%. In the cash fund category, the compounded annual growth rate on a 5-year return for liquid fund is at 7.4%. vis-a-vis the CRISIL Liquid Fund Index, which has given a return of 8.02%. The CAGR return since inception has been 8.12%. Lastly, in the debt fund category, the compounded annual growth rate for bond fund on a 5-year return is 7.49% against the CRISIL Composite Bond Fund Index benchmark, which has given 7.64% returns. Since inception, the CAGR return has been 8.6%. The above information is as on 30th June 2018.
समझो हो गया